Here my friend is carrying a badge tag on his chest, and we are demonstrating the people tracking portion of our solution. Just to be more precise, he will be stopping under a couple of pillars for a couple of seconds, and he will be walking all around. And in this facility, the accuracy is approximately 22 to 25 centimeters at all times. The blink rate for pedestrians vary, and it's a parameter that we can set for each individual tag. The most common refresh rate is 0.2 Hz, which is approximately every 5 seconds. But 5 seconds is some sort of an industrial standard at the moment. The reason is a person cannot change his or her location not significantly in less than 5 seconds. In this case, we are updating the location almost every second. Our solution can also work in really harsh environments. And by harsh environments, we mean when there are lots of metal, lots of machinery, and full of racks. In an aisle, we can locate a forklift, a person, or a pallet in the same accuracy.